How to hard factory reset your Vtiisamao night vision goggles or binoculars. You're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting if these binoculars are bugging in any kind of way where they're not working right, or they seem to be frozen or not responding. Or if you just want to get a fresh start and undo any of the settings that you've put on, any recording settings, any brightness settings, anything like that, we can very easily do this. We're just going to go start. They need to be turned on. So if it's not turned on, we're going to long press the power button to turn it on. Then we're going to hit this menu button here to open the menu. And then from the menu, we're just going to use these arrow buttons. We're going to use this down arrow to toggle down to the option we're looking for, which is the default setting. So once we get the default setting, we're going to hit this OK button. Then it's going to say return menu to the defaults, and it's already on OK. So if we want to do that, we're just going to go ahead and hit the OK button, and it's going to go ahead and do it. And now it has been restored to its defaults. We can hit the menu button to get out of it, and this should be back to the way it was when it came out of the box.